time for Alaxa. Also for rheumatism and arthritis. Even for toothaches.
Okay, bago pa man natin makita ang unang tira dito sa fourth quarter, si Vince Season po kanina ay na-injure. At ito po si Al Aguila with the latest report on Vince Season.
Yes, according to team trainer Francis Valera, si Vince Season ay nagsasuffer lang from first-degree sprain at inaayos siya ngayon, pero depende na daw kay assistant coach Salazar kung ibabalik siya o hindi. Back to the panel.
Okay, maraming salamat, Yel. At si Vince Season, of course, vital cog sa kanilang Commissioner's Cup conquest ng Alaska. Vince Season with a slight sprain sa kanyang kaliwang paa. Edwards labas at sakto. Galing dito magbasa, no? May eye for the ball.
Mabilis ang kanyang reflexes at saka yung pagbabasa ng kanyang mga kakampi.
Yung Papcola naman, parang putol-putol yung kilos, nung walang fluidity sa kanilang movement, Dr. J.
Well, tinira na lang ni Houston yun. Anticipated ni Victoria yun. That was a very tight pass. Noli Locsin was not really gotten going in this ball game. Is coming back para kay Terry Saldana. Locsin has only 6 points in the ball game, has not scored in the second half of play. Yung matchups, no, medyo maganda para sa dalawang import. And 10 assists na pala ito si Chris Edwards. Malapit na palang triple-double ito. 2 rebound na lang.
Tatawagan ng last touch si Michael Orquillas. Dennis Edwards already with 26 points sa ball game. Nakita ninyo, rebounding lamang ng konti yung mas malapad na si Byron Houston, pero ang damage, Dr. J, na ginagawa nung si Edwards, katakot-takot. Ito ang damage na ginagawa naman ni Marlo Aquino, katakot-takot din. Offensive foul on Byron Houston. Hindi, loose ball foul ang itatawag. Marlo Aquino.
Nakabig si Marlo doon dahil malaking katawan nito. Pero maganda depensa niya, hindi nakashoot dito.
Nabago yung tira, Dr. J, nagbago. He had to change his shot in mid-air.
Nakabig ng katawan ni Houston.
Yan po ang acting coach Rino Salazar. Hindi na naman maititira ni Byron Houston. Not in my lane, sabi ni Marlo Aquino.
Those are the words of course, San Antonio Spurs, si Robinson, o kundi si Alonzo Mourning. No?
Yung kanilang
sa Miami naman, bawal-bawal dito magdadak sa harap ko. Free throw ka.
Not in Zoe's house. Of course, Alonzo Mourning ang star ng Miami Heat.
Malakas na naman.
Ito, ang daming itinatapon nitong si Byron Houston. 11th missed free throw shot para sa NBA veteran na import ng Papcola, Byron Houston.
Finally getting one to go in.
Ang mga kapatid natin sa Cagayan, maayong gabi. Tomorrow, magandang ball game ang kanilang makikita. It's Mobiline against San Miguel. Kanilang ipinanalo ang kanilang mga debut games. McLary ang one of the better imports we've seen. And of course, Larry Robinson, ang mako-question mo nun. Clutch player.
33 points yata, 20-something rebound, 23 rebounds. Gusto mo. Good steal by Saldi Realuba.
Mukhang namamasal na. Biling. Biling talaga ito. Hindi nangayaw yung Gordons doon sa pag-agaw ng bola dito kay Saldi Realubit. Ayan, tingnan mo. Hawak niya yung bola.
Ayan.
Layo, yung pa isa.
Hindi mo tatawagan ng pag, kailan tawagan mong traveling yun. Sa either or.
Mas malamang yung traveling kasi paikot-ikot siya. Trying to post up is Edwards.
Now he likes to face the basket a little bit. Inaabangan ni Houston yung kanyang pihit.
Yung tira
Layo.
Layo. Pasa na naman ni Borbis Victoria. And Durendes will get his lane.
Yan ang importante para sa Papcola.
Pagpagising. Pero sa kabila, papatayin sila ni Noli Locsin. Shoot ka sa kabila, pero susutan ka sa kabila.
At saka hindi kayo bumaba sa depensa na mabilis. Wipe out pa si Victoria who tried to offer some defense against the wide-bodied Noli Locsin. Post play na naman.
Sabay na sumampa dito si Noli Locsin. And of course, kasama si Boybits Victoria. At nung taon na sila nagsisampa rito, ang nanalo ng Rookie of the Year, would you believe, is Ray Evangelista.
Yun ang kalaban niya, no, sa choice of Rookie of the Year.
Close call din yun, yung labanan ni Boybits at saka ni Ray Evangelista.
Ba, sa labas tumira.
Wala yung
Bihira yun.
Linya-linya yun. Not this kind of shot. 9 minutes dito sa ating ball game. Gordon's in control with a 5-point lead. Ginamit ang kanyang lapat and
Yes.
that fall away. He knew how to protect the ball, Dr. J.
Ang bilis niya rin mag-release of that fadeaway shot, no?
We have a ball game, Dr. J.
Ilan na lamang? Up. Tatlo na lamang.
Kalamangan ng
Naagaw pa.
Agaw pa. Muntik na makounter ang agaw. Ito si Kenneth Duremdes. Will get the slam and Orquillas made a big mistake. Hindi na dapat niya sinalis. Unang-una, nag-iwan na siya.
Wala na yun. Duck na yun. Layup na yun. Hahabulin mo pa ba sa area yun. Yan ang hindi ginagamit at diskarte.
Miscalculation ito si Michael Orquillas at kasabay niyan, ilalabas na siya ni Coach Sereno Salazar. You give up a foul and you give up a 3-point play against Kenneth Duremdes who had a clear lane. Ayan, no? At pakita sa ating Salem 103 play ang tira ni Kenneth Duremdes and 3 slams for this guy, Kenneth Duremdes. Batang Cotabato.
Tabla na sila.
Tabla ang laban, 89 all.
Frito looks at the lead, but they finally have seen a good size lead, a 2-point lead. Some pressure being applied in the backcourt. Baldavid having a lot of problems.
Would you believe the last time na nakalamang itong kupunan ng Papcola was at score of 2-0?
Merong 1 point lamang yan, yung 50-something eh. Pero binalikan ulit ng Gordons ng isang run. And this is a nice jump shot by Benny Cheng. Just before the end of the first half, lumamang ng 1 point. Alam ko yan yung... Tapos nakuha ulit yung 5 puntos ng...
Yung nagdikit-dikit, Dr. J. Tied ball game. Byron Houston, ginamit yung banda at yun. Si Byron Houston nakakakita na ng kanyang sweet spot. Si 35 puntos ang kanyang kasama. 26 puntos hasn't scored dito sa quarter na ito.
Yeah, and only 5 in the second half, no? So, huminto na scoring ni Edwards. Hindi naman nila ini-screenan. They should provide some screens for Edwards para maiba naman ang dumidepensa. Again, ang Gordons, a team that doesn't run a lot of plays. They go on a one-on-one, doon sila nagkakaroon ng problema.
Dr. J, panibagong sa palpal na naman. 2 beses lang nabubutata ang tira nitong si Noli Locsin.
Yes.
Isa kanina ni Boy Beach at yung pangalawa dito kay Nick Velasco. They go to Byron Houston. Extricating, wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Baldavid. Ito, babawi ang Gordons. They're down by 2.
Bilis rin ni
Hand
Baldavid.
off. Benny Cheng. Iyon, tinago ang bola.
Well, nakakuha sila from somebody off the bench. A scorer, Benny Cheng, contributing 4 points in the ball game and only seeing action dito sa fourth quarter. Tabla tayo, 93 all.
This is the 7th deadlock of the ball game. Biggest lead kanina, 11 points na tamo ng Gordons. Byron Houston again. His 37th point of the ball game.
So, he released an unstoppable force pagdating sa loob. Marlo Aquino, nice pump fake. Talo nang sila. That's a foul on Houston. It's the push there by Marlo, pero tinatawanan lang ni Houston. Marlo also takes it all in stride.
Sabi nga nila, no? If you can give them, you can take them. Give and receive. Parang Pasko yan, Dr. J. Naku, lapit na noon.
Yun ang, well, that's the number 1 philosophy of Sonny Jaworski as the coach of Gordons. No?
Dr. J, si Edwards, 26 point niya, free throw shot, 4 and 20 of the third quarter. 6 and 19 na tayo nitong ating fourth quarter. So almost a whole quarter hindi siya nakakapag-score.
Pero he has not been attempting that many attempts, Gino. You have to give it to him. I think the local players have been given the plays by the coach. Nakita mo,
kanya yung attention.
nakita mo, puro kay Marlo, puro kay Noli Locsin ang mga bola, no, ang offensive plays. Marlo is gonna miss that second free throw. So, hindi mo rin mabibintang si Edwards dahil hindi na rin siya uma-attempt as much as he did in the first half.
Just a 1 point lead. Ito yung free throw walls ng magkabinang kupunan.
Not that good, no? For both teams, we have a foul away from the play.
Sinong tatawagan ng foul dito?
Benny Cheng yata.
Yes, Benny Cheng will be slapped with a foul. Ang Gordons ay nasa penalty na. So free throw shooting situation ito. Ang Papcola has held its team fouls to a minimum of 1 in this quarter. We have 6 minutes and 7 seconds left sa ating main event sa araw nito ng Biyernes. Bukas nasa Cagayan ng PBA. Magpapatuloy yung aksyon sa darating na linggo, of course, sa Cuneta Astrodome. Free throw missed by Duremdes.
I was gonna say that was the worst guy to foul there because sa tingin ko siya pinakamagaling na free throw shooter on the court right now.
Eason, he won't be back. Nakita nyo, nakatapal pa yung yelo sa kanyang kalimang paa. He injured that earlier. Duremdes. Speaking the free throws, An even 2-point lead para sa Papola. Under 6 minutes sa ball game.
Si Noli Locsin, medyo nawala na talaga ang kanyang offensive, that's why he's still trying to get some confidence. Puro supalpala inabot niya.
Sumandal si Noli Locsin.
Na naman, supalpal na naman.
Tatlong dikit-dikit kay Noli Locsin, and that obviously will affect yung confidence mo in taking off, no? Yung kanyang shot.
They need a jump shot here, or kasi yung pihit niya, inaabangan na siya. And those are big players. That's gonna be
3 seconds to shoot. Baldavid.
knows it.
And that's the clutch player that Gordons has. Si Baldavid.
Buzzer beater. Okay, Baldavid na yun.
Yan ang strength ng kanyang game, no? He won't be yung a guy who will back down from pressure. Titira-titira yan. Duremdes is hot, Dr. J.
Yeah.
Duremdes with 14 points at sa ganda ng laro niya, hindi na kailangan ibalik si Meneses.
Tama. Yan ang nangyayari. Nakaupo si Berhel.
Taking a handoff. Marlo is partially blocked. And Papola says, will control this ball. Approaching the 5-minute mark. At hihingi ng 20 seconds. Is this a 20-second timeout?
20 or 30.
Mukhang full timeout ang hihingi ng Papola, Dr. J. 7 in the ball game. Steal completed. Ito ang Gordons. Noli Locsin na traveling. And Noli Locsin has lost yung bola sa 4 na beses na hitinanganan niya to sa huling 4 na opensa ng Gordon.
Pero masamang pasa ni Baldavid, nag-alangan siya. At saka yung pinasa niya sa likod. Paano gagawin ng player kung nasa likod mo pinasahan? Yung talaga matatraveling. You pass it in front of him, kasalanan niya kung siya na-traveling.
They need some help. Itong kupunan po ng Gordons, down by 3 points. They go to Houston. Houston using his butt. They go to Duremdes. Ang kanyang beaten, and Duremdes exploding 16 points in this ball game.
That's a killer play para sa kanila. Duremdes trying to the top of the foul circle after the double team.
12 points in this quarter. Ito si Locsin trying to make up. Alam mo, yung gigil na rin niya, no, na para makuha yung bola. Hindi niya makuha yung rhythm na nawawala.
Well, Baldavid will take the free throw shot dahil wala dyan si Vince Season or Gayoso is out. Usually, yan ang mga designated free throw shooters of the technical foul shots.
They'll have to go to the bid, of course, si Gayoso. We wish his speedy recovery. Nasa hospital to, and alam natin kung wala man si Gayoso dito sa loob ng court, yung kanyang puso kasama ng Gordon Sito. Locsin has to be replaced. Papasok nila si Harencio, but expect Locsin to be back later on. No? Parang papagpagin lang ng konti yung malas.
Titignan nila yun because you can use the two now here and you can use Edwards in the forward position. Yung big adjustment ni Edwards is he's not been able to get off a shot against this import.
Scoreless in this quarter. Itong si
Yan,
Edwards.
pinilit na.
Ayun! Finally!
Walang pumasok sa gitna and he had that shot.
Yung last niyang tinira yung kanina was at 4:26 of the third quarter. Yung kanyang susunod na puntos dumating ng 4:08 ng fourth quarter. They go to Byron Houston, and that will be a free throw shooting foul. Yung foul na yun ni Edwards. 1-point lead para sa kuna ng Papola. Time down to 3:51. Ang Gordons nasa penalty. Ang Papola, as I've said, has kept the kanilang team foul sa minimum. 1.
Actually, 1. Yan ang isa pang disadvantage na aabutin ng Gordon sa endgame. Being in the penalty, mga loose ball fouls, defensive fouls, parati kang free throw ng free throw.
12
Swerte lang
free
sila
throw.
na hindi
Dami.
makapasok ito. Kundi, di 50 na ginagawa nito.
Oo, sobra-sobra, Dr. J. 12 missed free throws para kay Byron Houston. Make that, okay, correct. I stand corrected. 14 missed free throws para kay Byron Houston, and a loose ball foul ang itatawag kay Velasco.
Yep. Well, Edwards went for the defensive board. So, malapit na rin siya sa triple-double niya. Pero importante siguro sa kanila, manalo sila, no?
Ito, they go to Edwards. Gusto nilang ma-recover yung kanyang shooting touch kanina. Mano-imano ang dalawang import. Pero fake pala yun para dito sa labas. Pasa! Ang ganda ng ikot, Dr. J.
Although, bihirang-bihira magkaroon ng magandang half-court set ang Gordons, especially in this ball game. But that was a perfectly executed pass.
Yan ang nagagawa ng championship sa isang team, Dr. J.
Yes.
3-point shot. Moibit is short. Ito si Pino Harencio. He has an eye for the ring. Nakalusot! At itong buong Araneta ay yumayanig ngayon. Ang kanilang Gordons ay lamang ng 3 after being down by 3 points. So 3 points at Dr. J kanina ni Victoria. Questionable yun.
Yeah. Well, he cannot, he was open, so he thought he had it.
And then Durendes now forcing the issue.
Yes.
All the way and still hop.
Bigat ng laro nito si Durendes.
Ibang klase Dr. J. 18 points para kay Kenneth Durendes.
Alam mo, papasukin na sana si Berhel Meneses pero tinawag ulit ni Coach Black dahil masyadong mabigat ang kumpiyansa nitong si Kenneth Durendes dito sa quarter na ito.
Gordon's hanging to a 1-point lead. Approaching the twilight zone of this ball game. Marlu, fall away is short. Rebound kay Boybit. At again, that quick pass. The outlet to Durendes.
Puro si Durendes ang mami-score dito pero yung safety ng mga Gordons hindi bumabalik sa defense.
Oh, nagkaroon naman sila ng switch dito. Makakatira si Pido Harenzo. Quick retaliation.
Oo. Kalusutan.
Ang tigas ng laban nito, Dr. J. Ang last 2 minutes is brought to you by New Premium Dry London Gin. Now available in 750 ml. Houston double team. Victoria is open for another 3-point shot. This one, he knocks it in.
Yung sinasabi ni Victoria, ba't mo ako questioning? Kung hindi ako tumira kanina, hindi ko ma-feel yan.
Ngayon, the stroke, yun ang sinasabi mo, no?
You have to get the feel.
Victoria answers back with a 3-point shot. David babawi. This one is long. Rebound kay Kenneth Durendes.
Hindi nagta-timeout yun yung dalawang coach when they do need some timeouts, no? And finally, Norman is gonna call the timeout ng advantage, but it might be a 20. Punta sila kay Houston. I think they wanna go to him on this play. They want to get that extra 2 more points.
Yung pang-insurance nila kung sakali. They go to Rialubit. Rialubit is blocked.
Yun ang mali nila. Nung pinasa nila sa loob, hindi nakakalamang kay Marlo yun pag nasa post area.
Mukhang wala sa script yung tirang yon. Harenzo. Yung
Challenge.
depensa, Dr. J.
Tama rin ginawa ni Rino dahil alam niya, Durendes magaling na scorer pero very, very easy, light defensive player.
Kaya magpa-challenge. Double team. Bigay kay Velasco. Velasco is blocked. On the ball is Marlo Aquino. We have a tied ball game at 107.
Pwede magka-timeoutan dito kung tatawag sila.
At illegal defense pa yata ang itatawag, Dr. J.
Mabigat yun.
Ang bigat na tawag nun.
Wow.
A big turn of events and Norman Black left, scratching his head. Ito yung supalpal.
It was a good block. Now, if you would call the body contact, there should be. Pero the block upstairs was clean. No? Inabot niya talaga yun.
Timeout ng Papola.
Sciences.
Nagkagulo mga tao dito dahil sa tinira na free throw shot off a technical ng kupunan ng Gordon sa pamamagitan ni Baldavid. Lamang ngayon ng isa ang kupunan ng Gordon.
Plus they have possession. Baldavid will shoot another one. And a big one over Victoria. Mabigat na tira yun, ha?
Dr. J, merong itinira si Baldavid do second conference against the same team. Mukhang paborito niyang patayin itong kupunan na ito. They go to Byron Houston. Byron Houston is long. Rebound makukuha ni Benicheng. At ngayon ito ang problema. Hindi sila makakaubos ng foul sapagkat wala pa rin sila sa penalty. And Edwards will dribble away those precious seconds.
Well, Edwards, tinulak siya. So, ayaw niya yung tinutulak siya ni Victoria. Kanina pa sila nag-uusap sa backcourt. Nakikita ko yan nung lumadaan sa akin yan. Medyo nagkakantsawan yung dalawa.
And Gordon roars back with a 3-point lead currently. 110-107.
Matagal pa yan. Matagal pa. Sandali. Ref, meron pa naglilinis ng ano dito. Babasa ka sa
natin
natin
dito. Aba, ibibigay na tayong bola ng referee. Ayun, binigay na. And Baldavid foul. Dr. J, kanina sinabi natin lamang dahil under sila sa penalty. Ngayon, naging disadvantage tuloy sa kanila.
Yeah, it works both ways. Kung nalamangan kayo. Kung kayo lamang, talagang lamang yan dahil pwede nyong gamitin yan sa endgame, no? Eh kaso pag lamang kayo, gusto nyong hintuin at saka nasa kabila yung bola, eh kailangan pumaul ka.
Baldavid is fouled quickly. Gusto na lang ng kupunan ng Papola na sila ay lumanding sa penalty upang pigilin ang pagkaubos ng oras sa panig ng kupunan.
Well, nagsakripisyo na rin si Victoria. Nagbigay ng 3 dikit na foul at pumaul out na siya. So, sinong gagamitin? Si Berhel Meneses. Wala nang point guard muna dahil foul ang kailangan natin o baka makaagaw, eh, di ba? Madali na maglagay ng point guard kung nasa atin na yung bola. Hindi ayun, tumawag ng
Eto.
timeout si Benny. Tama, dahil hindi siya makathrow eh.
Quick decision.
Ginamit ang utak.
Yon ang gamit ng diskarte. Na timeout, hiningi ng Gordon. Pagbabalik po kami. 13 seconds left. At tatawagan ng foul ngayon. Dr. J, nasa penalty na sila. So they will stop that clock from ticking away.
Well, ang ginawa ng Pat Cola, Chino, is they took away the ball from getting to Arencio and Baldavid, who are both good free throw shooters. So they forced Edwards to throw into Benny Cheng. They'll challenge him from the free throw line.
Benny Cheng,
Malakas.
malakas at tira.
Titaw pa lang, alam mo na eh.
Ang gamble paying off sa first shot. Si Vincison, injured. Si Noli Locsin, inilabas ng panandali dahil hindi maganda ang kanyang mga tira. Mukhang nababasa. Ngayon, ipapasok ang isang point guard saka katauhan ni Rick Marata who can shoot a 3-point shot.
Correct.
But depende yan sa tira ni Benny Cheng.
Correct. Maski na pumasok o hindi man pumasok, pwede talagang tumira ng 3-point shot yun. But Benny Cheng really must collect himself at this stage. He had a big performance.
Yun,
Malaking bagay.
malaking bagay. Ang laking insurance on binigay ni Benny Cheng sa Gordon. Isa pang timeout, magbabalik po kami agad.
But they
Kanila
have
ang bola.
possession, yeah. So they're still very much alive in this ball game. But they have to score here. Kahit 2 points, 3 points, kailangan maka-score sila.
Ito, hinahanap nila yan. Meneses faking off, taking a 3-point shot.
Ayan,
And that's the pressure. Dr. J, ang laking binanatan ng 3-point shot na yun ni Vergel Meneses, cutting down the lead to just a point. 111-110. 6.8 seconds left in this ball game.
Tignan mo, magiging tight ang depensa kay Harencio at David dahil ayaw nilang yan ang mga tumatanggap. Even the import doesn't prove. But David, Harencio is able to get there. They have to foul him. Now he will go to the free throw line.
Magaling din yung decision. Anticipating that thing will happen. Nilagay nila si Marlo Aquino, their worst free throw shooter as the inbounder. Tapos malaki pa.
Yeah. And he has a good view of the floor.
O yun ang lamang, eh, no?
Pero mabagal ang depensa ni Meneses because anticipating mo, all Harencio did, he never got the screen. All he did was just come down. You know, dapat yan, na-cover yan.
Dapat inunahan, eh.
Yeah,
Deny.
you should cover that. You know, wala namang illegal defense at that stage. But let's see if Harencio can make these free throws. These are big ones. Malakas yata, pero hindi, pumasok.
Iba yung tapang ng kamay nito si Pido Harencio. Already a prime candidate for our best player of the game kung may tutuloy nila ito.
Kung mananalo sila.
Pido Harencio with 22 points. All eyes on Vergel Meneses who just made a 3-pointer kanina.
Well, they have a timeout check. May timeout pa-pop ko lang kung pumasok ito.
Eto, naipasok ang dalawang free throws. Quickly, a timeout. 20-second timeout lang to. At ito ang 20-second timeout ng Cord Bulldog. Ito ang Cord Bulldog Super Glue timeout ni Norman Black. Mabilis ito. Ito ang huling timeout niya, Dr. J.
You hear, Byron? We can't get it. Once you set that screen, you pop right up to the middle. Just push it up, Rick. Look for 1, 2, or 3, huh? Okay, you gotta move up the court quickly now. You only got 5 seconds, fellas. Come on, go.
Well, nakakita ko ng game ng ito yun sa opening ng... well, it's a 20 seconds. So,
So, doon ang inbound.
yeah, they cannot. Pwede kang pumaul dito eh. Ba't mo sila bibigyan ng 3-point shot? Padribulin mo ng konti, foul him, and then let him make 2 free throws.
Baka yun ang nasa
Naalala ko
isipan.
yan sa Mapua Letras, hindi nila ginawa yun. Nagsiselebrate na yung Mapua nun. Inabot
Nagkamali
sila ng
sila.
3-point shot.
Same ano, no? Ito yung... Naku, nasunod ang bola kay Byron Houston. And that will be the ball game, Dr. J.
Well, they will throw in first. May 1.55.
0.6 of a second left in the ball game. And Gordon's preserving a victory. Ang laking bagay nito, Dr. J. A 3-point lead going to the last 0.6 of a second. And Norman Black falling to his first loss after taking his first win. Binato. Ang tira mo, take mo, Dr. J yun, ha?
Hindi, alam mo, dapat
Teka, dapat bola ng Gordon yun, ha?
Hindi, tama. Binigay niya sa pula dahil pag tumama yung bola sa anybody on the live floor, nag-contest, nagulat
Muntik
pa sila. Oh.
At ang ating mga best players, sinabi ko na pala mga best players, Dr. J. Matindi ang laro ng mga players ng kupunan ng Gordons, lalong-lalo na si Pido Harencio at saka si Dennis Edwards. At pinipilit po nating mahatak ang mga malalarong ito. Si Yan Aguila right now is with Mr. Dennis Edwards.
Dennis, you just arrived last night with no practice whatsoever. How are you able to cope with the Gordon's Gym style of playing?
Oh, I think I'm already in shape, I work out every day. That helped me a little bit, I got in about 1 o'clock last night, and I got a little tired at the end, but, I came through towards the end, to help my teammates win.
Are you aware that you're part of a very popular team.
Oh yeah, I know Gordon Gin is a very popular team, and when I was in the PBL, I wanted to play with Gordon, so now I'm playing with Gordon, you know, I'm happy.
Thank you and congratulations. Okay. Kasama ko yung si Pido Harencio. Pido, galing ka sa sakit. Saan mo nakuha yung lakas mo?
Hindi, siguro nakapagpahinga lang. Tapos, yun, nag-practice ako last week. Tapos, naswerte na, magaling naman yung Amerikanong dumating. Yun, okay naman. Oh.
Sa larong ito, sa panalo nyo to, pinapakita mo ba na kayong pareho ng champion?
Kailangan kasi galing kami sa champion. Kailangan magpakita kami ngayon conference na to para at least wala namang masabi yung mga tao. Para sa kanila to eh.
Maraming salamat and congratulations.
Di mo ate, binabati ko mga Pizarro family sa Bataan. Tsaka yung tiga Caloocan, si Mayor Malonzo, tsaka si Dido Constantino. Happy birthday, sir! Yung tiga GSO sa Caloocan City Hall, si Atilina, yung mga grupo nila ron, sila Doktora. Yung kay Fe, kay Jared, kay Gia, kay Chico Janel yun.
Okay, thank you rin. Babalik kami pagkatapos ng ilang paalala.
Natin, lamangang Gordons ng una, dumamang yung Pop Cola, ready to take the ball game, pero ibang klase ayaw magpa-deny ng Gordons ng victory nila.
Well, I think Pop Cola is a very, very good team. They just gotta put it together. But yung kumpiyansa ng Gordons was shown. Now, yung import, even though he only scored 7 points in the second half, yung 11 assists niya, malaking bagay yan. That's 22 points excluding 3-point shots or 3-point play. So, natuwa yung mga players, kaya tinulungan nila si Dennis Edwards sa kanyang debut.
Okay, at ang atin pong Hardy Flex Building Boards King of the Boards, makikita natin ang trabaho ng napakasipag na import ng kupunan ng Pop Cola. Although ang kanyang trabaho, itong si Byron Houston, kinapos pa ng konti. Nakulang din ng konting finishing kick itong si Byron Houston at 14 rebounds in that ball game. Minaaniyahan namin kayo bukas po sa Cagayan de Oro ang laban ng San Miguel at saka ng kupunan ng Mobiline. At bago ko magpaalam, isa ho sa mga napakalaking pleasure ng pagtatrabaho sa Vintage Sports is having to be able to work with a legend. Ito po si Dr. J is a legend in his own right.
Cheering squad
May cheering squad pa sa taas ka, so iniwan na tayo. Birthday po ni Dr. J sa
Hindi pa
darating
naman.
na linggo.
Thank you. Kaya hindi tayo
Advance happy
magtatapos.
birthday kay Dr. J.
Thank you.
At ang wish po namin kay Dr. J, may he live 100 more years at marami pa hong laban na gagawin para sa Vintage Sports. Dr. J?
Well, thank you very much, and of course I've already enjoyed my 16 years. Ang kinakain mo chocolate cake, nakakain mo na yung ice cream. Pero I'm very happy and thank you for you guys for this nice and pleasant surprise.
Ang aming mong games sa linggo, bago tayo magkalimutan, unfinished business sa
Santa
Lucia.
Lucia, Pop.
Pop Cola, yung dalawang team na nando sa ilalim, yung dalawang team